Okay, so here we are back inside Somnium Space. I made some tweaks to this building I've been working on the last few days. I added a door on the top level, so now you can get out on that balcony. I'm going to take you on a tour through it. I did add the parcel number, so this is Somnium Space parcel 1730. All right, let's go inside. We've got kind of a concrete texture floor here on the bottom level. And then these ramps and the upper levels have a wood texture. Got a music player over here. Got Miles Davis playing on here at the moment. Up to the second level. Views are amazing all the way around. You can see the water moving down there. I'll take you down there after we go through the building here. I'll even take you into the water. You're going to see how that works. So let me take you through here real quick. You see you got a door here to access the first level, or second level, I should say. Balcony. I'm not going to go out on every single balcony in this video. I'll go up on the highest level. You can see this building over here. That's also mine. And next to it, there's a sign. Those are separate parcels. The building is on a medium parcel, which is what we're in right now, a medium-sized parcel. And that sign is on a small parcel. On the other side of that building, not too far, you just can't see it from this angle, is another parcel that I own. I own about 11 or 12 different land parcels here in Somnium Space. I haven't built on all of them yet. You see my neighbor's got this cool planet telescope sort of setup going on. It looks broken over there, that building, because we're not close enough for the actual 3D model to load. So it's sort of a four-sided screenshots, for the lack of better terms. Let's head up to the top level and go outside. You can see how nice the beach area is here. You can go to the top peaks of all these mountains. You can climb to the top. You can slide down. As a matter of fact, there's a video that I posted recently, sliding down this mountain here all the way into my backyard, which was pretty fun. You know, Somnium Space is a game, so in the future, you'll be able to add all kinds of gaming elements, privacy elements, locking doors, giving people access, certain times, things like that. I can add art and different media, TVs, and all kinds of different things like that currently, like the music downstairs. So let's go outside. I tweaked some of the doors here because they were opening the wrong way. You know, like this door was opening the other way, which made you have to walk around it. It didn't really make a lot of sense, and it's a lot easier to pass through the doors and navigate in VR and 2D with the doors swapped. Pretty amazing, right? So at some point, Somnium Space will extend the waterfront parcels like this one. So you'll be able to build out to either the water line or at least a few feet into the water, which will allow for me to put a deck or a dock on the back of this property, I have a kayak for Somnium Space that I'll be able to rope off down there. I would imagine boats and some other things like that will be added in the near future. That you'll be able to use Cube tokens, which is a cryptocurrency for Somnium Space. And cubes is how you purchase things in world. That is the token that runs the economy in here. So let's go down to the water real quick. I want to show you just how nice the water is and take a quicker path down here. Let's go. Yeah, perfect. Show you the water, and in the water, go to the water's edge here and you can see how clear and nice it is. You can probably hear it. So there we go. I'm in the water. You can see the reflection of my place up there. The deeper we go, the darker it's going to get. Right now it's light out. It's very bright. So it's really easy to see underwater currently. But at night, it's, as you would suspect, a little bit more difficult to see. But I've definitely have walked through the water all over this world because there's no other way to travel right now other than walking. So there are teleports that you'll be able to get into and transport from here to, say, over there downtown. But they currently do not work. Their operation hasn't been activated yet, but when they are, that's going to be really cool. So that's my place and some of the new tweaks that I made to it in the last few hours. Come and check out Somnium Space and check out Somnium Space address 1730. Right on the water with a nice mountain view.